In 60 seconds, I'll show how to link your child's GoHenry card to Roblox and Fortnite. Open the GoHenry app on your phone and sign in as the parent. Tap Cards, select your child's card, then choose Card Details or Virtual Card. Reveal the card number and CVV, or create a virtual card for online purchases. Open Roblox, go to Settings, then Billing or Payments to add a new card. Paste the GoHenry card details, enter the billing info, and save the payment method. Now open Epic Games or the Fortnite store and sign in to your child's account. Go to Account Settings, then Payment Methods, and choose Add Card. Enter the same GoHenry card details and confirm any verification prompts to save. Back in GoHenry, enable spending limits, merchant controls, and lock the physical card if needed. Test a small purchase or use a low-value Robux pack to confirm payments work correctly. Quick recap: use a virtual card, set parental limits, enable notifications, and review transactions weekly.